Let's say you have 300 students and you want to calculate the grade for all 300 students in a piece of code. The long way to do it would be to manually make every single student a variable. The shorter way to do it would be to use an array. An array is a collection of index variables, basically a whole group of variables that is put into one function. We usually use this like how I just exemplified when we have a lot of variables at play and we don't really necessarily have to write them out. There are some key points with arrays that are important. One is that they're always fixed in size. Once you make the array of size is 20, you can't change it. It stays at 20. You can't return arrays, and that they're the same type of data. When we write arrays, we have the data type, identifier, and size. And I'll exemplify that now in C-Line so you could see a quick snippet of how an array looks and what it does. We have our array. We have our data type array. Oh, I'm going to take that back. We have our data type array and we have the size. So we could input one part of the array just by calling it out. So 10 would be outputted as 0, 30 would be outputted as 2 because it starts from 0, and we could also change 2 to equal 100. Let's see how all this works together and how all the array looks at the end. So here we could see our first is 10, like we said, our third is 30, our change is 100, and we could see all the parts in our array that are 10, 20, 100, 40, and 50. The thing to notice is that when we use array, we use closed brackets instead of braces.